In COVID, we have heard about oxygen shortages. So why is oxygen short? Now let us understand the most of the oxygen that in the general times is used for industrial production, and around maybe 10% to 20% oxygen is diverted for the medical usage. Before advent of COVID, most of the oxygen administered into the hospitals was in the gaseous form. COVID necessitated large amount of oxygen requirement for the patient, and therein was the advent of liquid medical oxygen tanks and Dura cylinders that has happened. Oxygen is short because there is a huge demand that is there in the patients of the COVID. The most essential thing that a patient can be administered in COVID is oxygen. In its peak, after the patient is crossing his 5th day, 6th day, and of course with the mutants the peaks are varying, at the golden point, if the patient is administered oxygen in the exact amount, it is life saving, and there is very less chance that the patient will become bad or will go into a hypoxia. Thus, oxygen has gained tremendous prominence in this time, and we are going into very much details of this oxygen and the sources of oxygen and how it is manufactured in the coming videos. But now we'll look at how oxygen has been traditionally been harvested from the atmosphere. There are two ways in which the oxygen has been harvested so far. One is converting the air in cryogenic form and then separating the oxygen from it. What is cryogenic form? Yes, that means that the oxygen, the air is frozen below minus 90 degrees Celsius. It goes much deep into the negative zone so that we are able to separate all the gases. Now, once this separation occurs in the pure form, the oxygen is separated from the other gases and used for various industrial and medical purposes. Let us also look at what happens in terms of the other delivery mechanism of oxygen, that is from the absorption of the atmosphere directly by using a pressure swing absorption method that we will cover up in the details in the coming video. But the PSA is also very important way of harvesting oxygen. However, the purity in the cryogenic form is much higher, more than 99% can be achieved, while in taking it from the concentrator, unless you use the lithium based concentrators, the purity achieved will be between 93 to 95%. So this is a background of oxygen and its importance in the COVID in this video.